Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Revolut account to your bank account. First, you have to log into your Revolut account with your account credentials. Then you just need to simply click on transfer button at the bottom middle side. You will find it. Just simply click on transfer to transfer your money to your expected destination, where you can find some withdrawal options like bank recipient, card recipient, crypto wallet, group, contact. You can send your money through your contact, but we are going to transfer money to our bank account, so we have to click on bank recipient. Then you have to enter the bank credential or search for the bank that you want to send money. After that, you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Revolut account to the bank account. Then you will go through a security process where you just need to confirm your identification. Then your transfer, the transaction will go through a process. It will take around 1 to 3 business days to transfer your money to your bank account. After a successful transaction, you will get a notification from the Revolut application. Also, you will get notified from your bank. That's how you can transfer your money from your Revolut account to your bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.